TaoTronics is a brand that offers a wide range of different devices. We were interested in their air purifier models because they gained great popularity and trust among users quickly. In this video, we'll learn more about the TaoTronics TT-AP001 air purifier, show all the tests we have done, and in the end, you'll see our final conclusion. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This small air purifier from TaoTronics does not require complicated preparation before the first start. The first thing you need to do is remove the cover on the bottom of the device. Remove the filter, unpack it, and put it back in the machine. Then connect the AC adapter to the device and turn it on. The TaoTronics TT-AP001 is a tiny cylindrical device. It's available in white or black, and overall it looks adorable. The filter opening is located on the lower half of the device. On the upper side, there is a control panel with all the necessary buttons and indicators. Due to its dimensions and thoughtful design, TaoTronics will fit into almost any space. The TaoTronics TT-AP001 draws air through openings in the lower half of the device. The air is then filtered and exits through openings at the top. TaoTronics has touch buttons located on the top of the device. Pressing the on-off buttons turns the device on or off. Additionally, this button is used to reset the filter reset indicator. We can turn on the nightlight by pressing the light button. Keep pressing to adjust 3 LED light levels of brightness. Pressing the sleep button switches to sleep mode. Each press of the fan speed button shifts the engine speed. The available speeds are Speed 1, Speed 2, Speed 3, and Turbo mode. The TT-AP001 uses a 3-in-1 true HEPA filter. The first stage of filtration is a pre-filter that removes abrasive substances as a protection for the true HEPA filter. The second stage of filtration is a fibrous filter coated with carbon. This filter removes large dust particles, pet dander, and household odors. The third stage of filtration is a true HEPA filter which eliminates 99.97% of pollutants as small as 0.3 microns. It also removes larger pollen, dust mites, and filters air pollution of PM 2.5. TaoTronics is entirely safe to use and does not produce ozone. The device uses a tiny filter. We like that it uses a true HEPA filter, but it would be just as good to use carbon pellets instead of a fibrous filter coated with carbon. TaoTronics uses a filter reset indicator that notifies you when it's time to replace the filter. This happens on average between 3 to 6 months. The replacement process is straightforward and does not require any advanced preparation. To begin, turn the device upside down and unscrew the cover of the bottom. Then remove the old filter from the device and clean the inside of the device using a vacuum cleaner. The next step is to prepare new filters and insert them into the device. The last step is to close the bottom cover, turn the device to the original side, and reset the filter reset indicator by holding your finger for 5 seconds on the on-off button. The TaoTronics TT-AP001 uses 4 fan speeds. It's generally a very quiet device. The device is loudest in turbo mode, but the volume is bearable. At first speed, the TT-AP001 generates 41.6 dBA. At second speed, 43.5 dBA. At third speed, 48.5 dBA, while in turbo mode, it produces 54.6 dBA. In combination with the nightlight, this very quiet device is an excellent addition to a bedroom or even a child's room. More information can be found at airpurifierfirst.com. The TaoTronics maintenance costs are low. The device is powered by a motor of only 12 watts. When buying an air purifier, it's essential to pay attention to the device's power due to the energy consumption because you will most likely run it 24/7. The TaoTronics TT-AP001 will increase your bill by about 50 cents on turbo mode if you leave it running 24 hours a day for 1 month. It's important to note that replacement filters are not expensive, so maintaining the device annually will not leave a hole in your wallet. Like all our previously tested devices, we have tested this one in different conditions and in different rooms. TaoTronics TT-AP001 is designed for rooms up to 161 square feet. We also tested the device accordingly in rooms of approximate size. In the first room, which is 120 square feet, the device improved air quality by about 83% in 60 minutes and lowered the AQI from 122 to 21. In a room of 194 square feet, which is slightly larger than the recommended dimensions, TaoTronics TT-AP001 improved air quality by 76% by lowering the AQI from 128 to 31. In both tests, the device ran on turbo mode. The TT-AP001 did not achieve results as amazing as some of the more powerful and expensive devices we have tested in the past. We placed the TaoTronics TT-AP001 in a smoke box, which we then filled with smoke. In the following scenes, watch how long it takes this device to remove all the smoke from the glass box. The TaoTronics TT-AP001 is a relatively new device, but it has gained tremendous popularity and great reviews from users quickly. The TT-AP001 is a competitor to circular air purifiers, which is currently a crowded market. This is one very quiet and affordable air purifier. Although minimal, with a motor power of only 12 watts, the TaoTronics TT-AP001 made solid results in performance tests. We recommend purchasing this device if you need an air purifier for a room smaller than 161 square feet, such as a small bedroom or office. See a detailed review at airpurifierfirst.com. You can find all the links in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.